Aww, you're so cute. You're mine.
She's a precious angel. Oh, okay, that didn't hurt. You're being dramatic.
Do you like your new tie? It makes you look very handsome.
Hey, that was serious. What's going on?
Own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
I hate the new Kanye, the bad mood Kanye, the always rude Kanye, spaz in the news Kanye. I miss the sweet Kanye, chop up the beast Kanye. I got
That's just a stupid boulder!
It's not just a boulder, it's a rock.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Post the video that made you go viral.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
You're my friend now.
How many taps until your pet gets mad? Lick.
Don't let your cat pet you and see what he does.
That's mine.
Aku punya.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
You're not for the streets, Priscilla.
Good morning. Good morning.
Guys, I'm at a plant nursery right now. It's so quiet. But look at this.
How to gift a kitten to your cat. What is this? Oh wait, I like it. I really like it. Okay, it's mine now, thanks.
Only cats can hear this sound that I'm about to play. All you have to do is bring your cat closer to your phone and just watch how they react to this sound. And if you don't have a cat, send this to someone who has one and ask them how they reacted.
I love you.
Yeah, cool. I love you too.
I want to stay with you in your room, in your bed.
Okay, well, that's not gonna happen. Anyway.
Sorry I didn't kiss you, but it's obvious I wanted to. Bubble.
Hi guys. How you feeling, squirrel?
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Okay. You gotta swallow. Yeah. You gotta swallow. You have to swallow it.你下去，下去，下去一下。哎，你下去一下，下去一下，不许一下。哎。妈妈妈妈。喵喵喵喵。
Dicky.
Evie?
Stop that. I dry your eyeballs. Eyeball kiss. What? I sniff. Saltine. Mom, what's wrong? Hey, Mom. What is wrong, Mom? Hey. Hey, Mom. Look at me. It's okay? I be here.
Thanks, Harpo.
Here comes the girl. Hello, girl. Welcome. Here she is. She is.
What's going on? What's going on? What's happening? Did Ivar try to get in here again with you? Oh no. Oh no. Toad, it's okay. Tell me. It's okay. I'm gonna get. That's it for him. He's in a lot of trouble.
Oh.
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
Guess I didn't doubt it. I wish I never ever told you all about it. But I just had to let you know.
Night, TJ.
我想偷望呀望一望他，假装欣赏欣赏一瓶花，只能偷看呀看一看。
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Here comes the boy. Hello, boy. Welcome. There he is. He is here.